Hiya, my September subscription box from Simply Gilded has just arrived. This is it, You're a Gem. And this is the back of the box, and you can see just how stuffed full this box is. This is the subscription box for September 2019, and beginning from this month there's a mystery item in every box. So Irene has requested that we don't show the mystery item until everyone has received their box. I know it's a few weeks since probably the first box was received, but what I'll do is I'll show the mystery item at the very end of this video, and I'll put a little warning in before I show it. So first of all, I'll just take everything out. And I'm just going to remove the mystery item. Okay, we're back. So I'm just looking for the menu card, which shows everything that's in the subscription. So You're a Gem September box, a whole list of items there that are in the box. And the first thing I see actually is this acrylic gem tray. So here is the gem tray, and it's very iridescent, as I'm sure the camera's picking up there. It's gorgeous. It'll look lovely with some washi or something sitting on it. And then also some washi cards. So these are great for wrapping washi around and having inside your planner. And there are a few washi cards in here, and they all have this gorgeous sort of iridescent shattered glass look. I'll just grab a white piece of paper, and then hopefully we can see what's on the washi cards. So this one has a bow. This one has precious and a gemstone. And you can just see how gorgeous and sparkly that is. This is Love Your Heart. Here we go. And this one just has some crystals on it. And the lucky last one, the fifth one, Shine Bright Like a Diamond. And all of them have that gorgeous shattered glass look. So I'm loving those. And then this is the journal card for the month. And it's made with the same type of material with that shattered glass look on it. And it just has a lot of jewels and gemstones, crystals and gemstones on it. It's quite mesmerizing looking at it actually. Okay, so that's that. And then we have some stickers and seals. There's the mini sheet of stickers, which has some half boxes, a full box, some checklists, and then some little deco items with a nice foil on them. Cute foiled bows. They look a little bit smaller than other bows in the past, but that's alright, they're cute, and they're sort of pink and purple with that shattered glass effect also. And then the two sheets of stickers as per usual, with this one having lots of headers and full boxes, and then the small headers and checklists and so on. So that's the first sheet. And this is the second sheet. We've got a sparkle, which does indeed sparkle a lot, and we've got Shine Bright Like a Diamond, which makes me want to sing, but I won't sing because I cannot sing, and you definitely don't want to hear me singing. So they're the stickers and seals for the month, and then all that remains is this pouch and whatever is inside this pouch. It's quite a thick feeling fabric pouch. It has rose gold hardware on it. Opens easily. Yeah, it really is quite thick. Quite luxe feeling. And I'll just tip everything out. So we have the pen. It's gorgeous. As per usual, there's the Simply Gilded engraved on here, and there's a bow engraved on the end. It's rose gold hardware, and then it's an ombre sort of effect going down the pen. It's very nice, and that will be a gel pen. Nice weight. And then we've got the washi. This is the 5mm add-on. I subscribe to the add-on every month also, so that's it up close, and I'll roll it out soon so we can have a good look at it. Then these are the washies that come in the sub kit. So 5 washies this month, with 4 15mm washies and then a 10mm. Just before I roll all of the washi out, here they are without their wrappers on. So you can see this one here has a rose gold foil, and these ones are, those ones almost look like white bows, but there's some type of effect on the actual washi itself. This one is that shattered glass sort of iridescent foil, as is the simple bow line. And then there are these ones which also have some sort of a effect on the actual tape itself, and they feel a little bit different from usual also. So here is the Eurogem box from Simply Gilded all rolled out. I'm quite impressed with how different they look rolled out from when you look at them individually. When I was actually looking at them, I didn't actually realise the simple line, for example, had this pattern in the background of it. You can see there the pattern that it has. And here you can see how the 5mm all have that sort of shattered glass look about them, so they sparkle and look beautiful. And you can see the same sort of shattered glass on the bow set there. So these are washi that really come alive under the light. I'm now going to show you the mystery item from the Eurogem kit from Simply Gilded. So if you don't want a spoiler and you don't want to see the mystery item, please turn off now. Otherwise keep watching, as I'm about to show you what the mystery item is. The mystery item is in this small bag here. And the mystery item this month would just be a decorative item. And it's this multifaceted gemstone. It just feels acrylic-y, plasticky maybe. Yeah, plastic rather than acrylic. It's not an actual real gemstone or anything. It's not a massive diamond. Shame. So there's the gemstone there. It has a flat, smooth back, and then all these sides on the top here which sparkle and capture the light. I'll just pop it on the tray, so there you can see the size of it compared to the tray, and there's a roll of washi to give you a bit of a size indication. So this would be the mystery item for the month, the first month with a mystery item. This is everything that was in the Eurogem sub box from Simply Gilded for September. I really love the shattered glass sort of effect on the journal card and the washi cards, and of course on the washi itself. It's quite nice to have some different coloured washis. some non-pastel washes. I love pastel, but it's quite nice to have some different colors, and also washi just with these different effects. I'm really liking that, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. See you in the next video. Bye.